Hi, good morning mga mamshis. Kamusta kayo? Welcome to Mommy Crystal's Cooking again. Here you go. Today, very simple lang recipe natin mga mamshis. Cut lang tayo ng tomatoes right there. Mga 3 large tomatoes. There you go. Very juicy ang tomatoes natin today mga mamshis at saka mapula siya. Cut lang natin siya into cubes. This is a very popular sausawan, I would say, sa Philippines. Very simple lang to. Yan, cut lang tayo dyan. 3 malalaking kamatis, mga mamshis. Kamusta kayo? Saan kayo nanonood? Comment naman kayo. Where are you guys watching? Good morning, everyone. There you go. Into cubes lang tayo, mamshis. Linis-linis ng konti pag may time. Okay, this one I got the duck egg. It's a salted duck egg. There you go. So, try lang natin siya i-peel. Medyo nahirapan ng mamshi nyo dito mag-peel kasi dumidikit siya. I'm not sure why. But, push lang natin yan. Yan. Then, I have to rinse it afterward kasi para matanggal lahat ng shell. Then, i-smash lang natin siya with a fork. Smash lang natin dyan. There you go. You don't need to put salt or anything right there. It's a salted duck egg. So, there you go. We're gonna use bangus belly today. So, I thaw it a little bit pero nag-stick pa rin siya together. So, medyo basahin lang natin. Ayan. 2 piraso lang siya, mamshi, sa isang pack. Lagyan natin ng salt. Then, we put a little pepper as well too. Then, put some oil in there. There you go. Enough to fry the bangus belly. Adjust tayo ng camera para makita nyo. Then, while waiting for the oil to heat up, linis-linis na naman tayo, mga mamshis. There you go. Yan ang buhay ng nanay. Lagay na natin ang ating bangus. There you go. Magpa-fry na tayo. Linis ulit tayo, mga mamshis. Ayan, hintayin na natin itong ma-fry, mga mamshis. There you go, ready to eat with our sausawan, with the bagoong and kamatis. Let's eat!
Thank you all for watching this here video.